Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is cool right here, and basically what these are some sunglasses, if you can see from this brand right here. I tested and reviewed a few of these glasses from this brand already, and I actually love every single pair that I got so far. And here is another one. Let me actually open up and show you guys which one we got this time. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take everything out. Alright, so we have the actual sunglasses right here, and right here they provide guys some accessory. So right here is a little baggie that's in use. And then right here is a lens cleaning cloth that's in use to wipe off your lens on your sunglasses. Alright, so you definitely see that they do provide a lens wiper right here. And the other thing right here is actually a little bag. So you can definitely use it to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have the actual sunglasses, and these are polarized. Alright, so see the product is all nicely wrapped. And then right here they do have a little polarized tester that's in use. But let's take out the wrapper and everything to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. I definitely love the design of these a lot. It definitely has a very nice gold color on here that looks pretty awesome. If you see inside right here, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here in terms of the frame and everything else. And see the nose piece right here, it is a silicone material that's also anti-allergy as well. But basically once you guys put on the sunglasses, it should be really comfortable. And see the middle part right here, they definitely have like a double bridge design right here that actually looks pretty cool and very modern. And I really like the shape of the actual sunglasses here as well. It actually looks pretty nice. But let's put this on to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels. Alright, so we actually put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks pretty nice, and like I mentioned, I actually really like the shape of it a lot. The way how they designed the lens part right here. But basically once we put on the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. Now let's use the tester right here to test it out to see whether or not the actual product is polarized. Alright, so when we use the polarized tester, it definitely does work. I can definitely see like the logo and the flower and everything, just like all the previous versions. Like when I'm looking at it right now with my human eye, I don't see anything on here, or it's not like super noticeable. But once we put on the tester right here, or when we use the lens on the camera, you can definitely see the lens on the camera and also the sunglasses right here, it is polarized. But definitely love the design, the comfort, and the look of the sunglasses a lot. Just like how I like all the other sunglasses I actually tested from this brand. They all work really well for an affordable price, and actually looks pretty awesome as well. And all the sunglasses definitely feels like a high quality material, but that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the sunglasses, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for sunglasses that is polarized and has the same kind of design or look as this one, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.